How to check Experian credit score. First, open your browser or download Experian app or go to www.experian.com. Tap sign in if you already have an account. If not, tap get your free credit score to create one. Step 2. Enter your email and password. Verify your identity. You'll then be redirected to your dashboard. Step 3. On the dashboard, your FICO score powered by Experian will be displayed. It's updated every 30 days. You'll also see your credit report summary right below. Step 4. Tap Score Details to see what's affecting your score. Use Score Simulator to test how actions like paying off debt could impact your score. Set up alerts to get notified of any charges. And that's it.